Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Biscuit Gulab Jamun. First, we'll gather our simple ingredients, then prepare the biscuit dough, make a fragrant sugar syrup, and finally combine them for a delightful dessert. This easy recipe transforms everyday biscuits into a beloved sweet treat, perfect for any occasion. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create this delicious dessert. Let's start by preparing our biscuit dough. Take about 200 grams of your favorite plain biscuits and crush them into a very fine powder. Next, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. This gives our gulab jamuns a richer flavor. Gradually mix in 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead it gently for a minute or two until it's smooth. Now, let's get ready to fry and make our syrup. Divide the dough into small portions and roll them into smooth, crack-free balls. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat and fry these biscuit balls until they turn a beautiful golden brown. For the syrup, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water in a separate pot, bring it to a boil, and add a pinch of fragrant cardamom powder. The final step is to combine everything. Immediately transfer the hot, fried gulab jamuns into the warm sugar syrup. Ensure they are fully submerged. Let them soak for at least 2 hours. This allows them to absorb all that sweet, aromatic syrup and become wonderfully soft. Garnish with some chopped pistachios or almonds and serve them warm or chilled for a truly delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.